In this video, I will show you 5 practical cases on how to write output to a file in Bash script. So let's get started. In the first case, I will show you how to write output to a file using the output redirection operator. Let's see how it works. For demonstration of method 1, I have already created a script named redirect.sh. Now I'll explain the code. I have started with the shebang line. Then I have written a print statement using the echo command where I have written string current working directory : then I have used command substitution of the pwd command which will print my current working directory, and this text or string is redirected to the output.txt file using the output redirection operator. Let's see if my output.txt file contains this text or not. First, I will execute the script. So I'll call the bash interpreter, the name of the script. The script will be executed. It won't show any output because string has been redirected output to the output.txt file. Now I will print the contents of the output.txt file using the cat command. As you can see, the text has been copied to the output.txt file. I mean, it's not copied, it is redirected, so meaning output has been written to the output.txt file. In method 2, I will show you how to append output to a file. That means adding contents to the end of a file using the append output operator or double greater than sign operator. Let's see how it works. For this case, I have already created a script named append.sh. Here I have started with the shebang line, then written a statement folders of current working directory and use the output append operator to redirect the output to the output.txt file. After this, I have written the command ls-d /. This command will list only the directories and separate the directories from all the files. Then this list will be appended to the output.txt file. So here is a double append operation. Let's see how the output.txt file looks. Now I'll execute the script append.sh using the bash interpreter. I'll call the bash interpreter using the bash keyword, then write the name of it. The script has been executed, so the append operation has been done. Resuming. Now I'll print the contents of the output.txt file to verify. As you can see, this first line was previously done using the output redirection operator in example 1. All the contents for that are due to the append operator, meaning the double greater than sign. In method 3, for case 3, I will show you how to write standard error using the 2 greater than sign operator in bash script. Let's see how it works. For this case, I have already created a script named error.sh. Here I have started with the shebang line. Then I have written a grep command to start the pattern all ending with server, meaning it will look for all patterns, keywords or strings which will end with this pattern server equal, and look for this pattern in this file, and all the contents of this command will be redirected to the error.log file if it works properly, and if it throws any error, the error will also be redirected to the error.log file. Now I'll check the error.log file, verify the contents of it. First I'll execute the script. Now I'll print the contents of the error.log file to verify the output. So I'll use the cat command. As you can see, it throws an error, no such file, which means it redirects the error to the error.log because it cannot find this file, as it does not exist in our system. Now I'll show you the third case, which is writing or appending output or error in the same file. So let's see how it works. For this case, I have created a script named errorout.sh. and I have started with the shebang line. Following that, I have written the date command. The contents of the date command, the current date and time, will be redirected to the timelog.txt file. Also, if any error occurs, it will also be redirected or written to the same file, log.txt, done by this operator, 2 greater than &1. Next, I have intentionally written a wrong date format, which is month, day, and year. this will give me an error, and this error will be appended to the timelog.txt file. If there was not any error, the output would be appended to the timelog.txt file, but since there is error, the error will be redirected to the same file. So let's see how it works. Now, to verify what I have said in my code, I have already executed the script errorout.sh and printed the contents of the timelog.txt file using the cat command. You can see the output. First line executes perfectly, which is due to the date command running successfully. In the next part, I have written the date command with the wrong format specified intentionally to append the output error in the second line. Now lastly, in the fifth case, I will show you how to write output to the file and both terminal using the T command. So let's see how it works. In this case, I have already created a script named t.sh. Here I have started with the shebang line. Then I have written the command ls-a, which will list all the hidden files in our current directory. Then I have piped this command with the pipe character to the grep command, which will look for all patterns with dot from the contents of ls, and it will write output of this command to the hidden file txt file. Also, it will show the operation. That is why I have written a T for the hidden files.txt. Now I will see how the output looks. So I'll save the script and exit using Ctrl S and Ctrl X respectively. Now I'll execute the script using the bash interpreter. As you can see, it prints all the contents that starts with the dot and it shows in the terminal. Also, if I print the contents of the hidden files.txt, will show the same contents. So this was all for this video. If you want to study further, please refer to the article provided in the description. Also, the script files will be provided to be downloaded. Thank you for watching.